Today we have this interesting problem of finding the area of a triangle of which three sides have been given. You can pause this video if you want to try to solve it. Moving on. Okay, so now we know the three sides of the triangle. So I'm just going to write it down as given. A is equal to 550. Sorry, A is equal to 550. Okay, and then we have B is equal to 1250 and C is equal to 1800. Okay, now as soon as we hear about area of the triangle, our first formula which comes to our mind is area is equal to half into base into height. However, in this scenario, or in this particular problem, we don't know how the triangle is going to look like, right? Whether it is whether it is shaped like this or it is shaped like this, and how do we find the height? This gets a little tricky. Um, in this case, and to solve this particular problem, I would like to introduce one of the property of triangle, which is often overlooked. It is called the inequality sum of the triangle. What it states is the sum of any two sides of the triangle should be greater than the third side. Right? Then only it forms a triangle. It kind of like makes sense. Let's say if this is this is 2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter, you know, and if this is 4 centimeter, it just cannot form a triangle because if the angle comes in, all you have is 2 here and 2 here, and then the entire is 4 centimeter. It will be like a straight line. However, if it is like 2.1 centimeter, then yes, the angle will be very acute, but still you will be able to form a triangle, right? So applying this particular property um, to this particular problem. So let's say the sum of the two sides. So let's take the first side as 550, okay, and the second side is 1250. Now, when we add these two, what we get actually is 1800, which is actually equal to the third side. Right? Here we need to think outside of the box, and what we can conclude is that all these three sides which have been mentioned in the problem will not form a triangle. It will not form a triangle. Hence, we cannot determine the area of the triangle, and hence, in one way, you can tell that this particular question is actually wrong. But I hope you got introduced to this overlooked property of the triangle.
Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. As always, have a nice day ahead.